Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn first lesson in Unit A. So, before starting going deep into the lesson, I want to ask you a few questions. I think all of you are from village background. So, at the time of vacations, anytime do you went to the towns? So, what are the differences you find in the towns and in the villages? So, in this page, you are looking into two figures. The left one shows you the village environment, and the right figure shows you the town environment. Now, from these figures, we can make four questions. The first question is, so what are the differences between the things which you are seeing in these two pictures? So, second one, where would you live, in a town or in a village? So, where do you want to live? Where do you think life is peaceful? Why? So, do you feel animals the same like you? So, you take down a small, it is a small assignment. You take down a small white paper and you write down these points. Answer these four questions. First one is, what are the differences between these two pictures? And the second one is, so which place in these two places, which place do you like to live? Whether you want to live in village or you want to live in town. Next question is, so where do you think the life is peaceful? So the town life is peaceful or the village life is peaceful? Next, do animals feel the same like you? So you are thinking that to live in the town is a peaceful life. So you may feel like that. Animals also will feel like you only. Or if you say that it is peaceful to live in village, then you think that animals also will think in the same way to live peaceful in the village. Animals also will feel in the same way. So, after answering these questions, next, coming deep into the lesson, the name of the lesson is The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Here, in the title, the word country is not about the country, India country, Pakistan country, America country, China country, and not about all these countries. But here, country means village side. Country means village side. So the title, the town mouse and the country mouse means there are two mice here. Mice, plural form of mouse. మౌస్ కి ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ మౌసెస్ కాదు. మౌస్ కి ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ వచ్చేసి మైస్. సో హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్ టూ మైస్. వన్ ఈజ్ ద టౌన్ మౌస్ అండ్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద కంట్రీ మౌస్, మీన్స్ ఏ విలేజ్ మౌస్. One mouse is living in the town and the other mouse is living in the village. So, according to the given story, these two mouses are cousins. Okay, these two mouses are cousins. So, one fine day, this town mouse is writing a letter to the village mouse. See this letter. First one, that I am reading the lesson. So you keep finger on the lines which I am reading. Okay. See the first line. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. So in the lesson, he is saying that there are two mice, and these two mice were cousins. కజిన్స్ అంటే మీకు తెలుసు కదా, బావ బామ్మర్దులు, లేదా పెదనాన్న కొడుకు మన కజిన్ అవుతాడు, అట్లాగనమాట. ఈ టౌన్ మౌస్ కంటిన్యూ మౌస్ ఈ రెండు కూడా కజిన్స్. సో దే ఆఫెన్ రోట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. రోట్ అంటే ఏంటి? రైట్. రైట్ అనే పదానికి పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ రోట్. సో దే ఆఫెన్ రోట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అంటే మన ఫ్రెండ్స్కి మనము ఎలాగైతే డైలీ కాల్ చేసుకుంటామో అట్లాగా ఈ మౌస్ ఇద్దరు కూడా, దీస్ టూ మైస్, దే ఆఫెన్ అంటే తరచుగా దీస్ టూ విల్ రైట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. ఏం రాసుకుంటారు? లెటర్ రాసుకుంటారు. లెటర్ రాసుకొని ఒకళ్ళతో ఒకళ్ళు సంభాషించుకుంటూ మాట్లాడుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. వన్ డే ద కంట్రీ మౌస్ గాట్ దిస్ లెటర్ ఫ్రమ్ హిస్ కజన్. సో the village mouse, the mouse which is living in the village, he got a letter from his cousin. ఆ లెటర్లో ఏముందంట? we can read the letter here. ఇక్కడ చదవచ్చు లెటర్ని.